How can I fix my HP Envy printer not printing issue?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common issue many users face with their HP Envy printers, the not printing problem. We'll go through a step-by-step guide on how to fix this issue and get your printer back up and running.
Is your printer powered on and connected?
Before we jump into technical troubleshooting, it's important to check if the printer is powered on and properly connected. Check the power cord and USB connection, or if you're using a wireless printer, ensure it's connected to the right network.
Are your drivers up to date?
Sometimes, outdated or corrupt drivers can cause a printer to stop functioning correctly. To update your printer's drivers, 1. Go to the control panel on your computer. 2. Navigate to Hardware and Sound, then Devices and Printers. 3. Right-click on your printer and choose Properties. 4. Go to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. After updating, restart your computer and try printing again.
Is there a paper jam or low ink?
Next, check for common printer issues like a paper jam or low ink levels. Remove any jammed paper carefully and replace ink cartridges if they're low or empty.
Are the printer settings correct?
Incorrect printer settings can also prevent your printer from working properly. Make sure the printer is set as the default printer, the correct paper size is selected, and the print quality is set to an appropriate level.
Have you tried a hard reset?
If none of the above steps work, you may want to try a hard reset. Unplug your printer while it's on, wait for about a minute, and then plug it back in. This can often resolve various printing issues. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to troubleshooting and fixing the HP Envy printer not printing issue. Remember, if all else fails, you can always reach out to HP support for additional help. We hope this guide has been helpful and gets your printer back in working order. Happy printing!